how to edit form fields in Smartsheet. So first go to Smartsheet and then just go to your workspace and then look for that form that you want to edit. So let's say this is my form. Just open it up and then you'll see something like this. Next is just click on edit here at the top right. Now here you can see all of your form fields. Okay, so for example, if you want to edit one of your fields, you can just click on it and then you'll see its field settings here. So let's say I want to rename name this. So click on a pencil icon here. So instead of secondary column, just name this primary column. Okay, click on OK. Then there you go. Now if you want to change this one here, the name here, you just need to change it. You can just change it here by on the label. So let's say instead of primary, I'm just going to name this a secondary column, as you can see. Okay, so if you don't want a label, you can just delete this and then it'll revert to this field name, I mean this name here. Okay, so here you can also add text here under it. Then if you want this to make it required, it'll show asterisk here. Okay, so if you want it hidden, just toggle this on. And then so there's a lot of options here. Just play around with this to customize your fields. Okay, so if you want to sort it out, so you can also move it. So that's it. You can also do the same with the other fields as well, just as what we did here on the first one. Okay, so once you've done customizing your fields, you can just click on save, and there you go. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.